Listen, you guys, I have a quick question. Are you tired of paying for three different AI subscriptions just to get top tier images and cinematic video? What if I told you that the industry's heaviest hitters were finally combined into one powerhouse workspace? You heard that correct. Let me show you how to actually streamline your workflow and level up your creativity. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce you to none other than what is known as DeevidAi. You heard that correct. And I have to admit, you guys absolutely love this website. I love the background. You can see right here, free AI video generator, create amazing videos with AI. And I'm going to tell you guys right now, there's actually a lot more things that you could do than just create a video. So I'm going to show you exactly how this works. Let's go ahead and get right up into it. The very far right, you can actually start free if you'd like to. Check out the link down below. More importantly, once you do that, just go right here to this little log in. All right. So we're actually going to go ahead and do that. Right. So easy and simple. And then after that, you guys are going to be able to go directly to your dashboard. Right. So you guys can already see that we're in, which is great. If we go to our dashboard, let me see how to go to there we go. All right. So whenever it comes to the dashboard, you guys, a lot of important things that you can actually do here. So I want you guys to pay attention. All right. So think about it. You guys already know that there's a lot of services out there, right? Literally, there's multiple individual services. We're talking like Kling, we're talking about Sora, we're talking about Google, right? These are tedious and they are super expensive. So once again, whenever it comes to DeevidAi, this is an ultimate multi-model hub that actually generates all these giants into one intuitive interface. You heard that correct. So if we actually take a look here on the very far left, you guys can see we have what is known as like image to video. We got what is known as text to video, right? So that actually looks pretty cool. We got AI image, we got AI image editor, we got AI video editor, AI avatar, we even have AI music, we even have text to speech. I mean, there's so many different things that we can actually do here, okay? But it gets better as we continue. All right. So listen, not only can you do all this, right, using AI, but down here, you can actually switch the models, you guys. Okay. You could switch the models and a lot of different things, right? It doesn't matter what you're doing. You can switch the models. Look at that. Okay. So, which is actually pretty cool. So even like right here, right, you guys can clearly see that. So this actually makes this extremely beneficial, especially if you're looking for different things, right? Which is actually pretty cool, right? So I want you guys to understand, I mean, it's pretty easy and simple. All right. So anyways, as mentioned, go to the link, make sure that you guys log in and go to your dashboard. All right. So we, ladies and gentlemen, are going to do what is known as a text to video. All right. So you guys can see exactly how this works. All right. So right here, you can see we have this little box where we can actually kind of type a prompt, right? So we're actually going to go ahead and do that. Pretty easy and simple. Let's actually just kind of copy and paste something really quick. So you guys can see exactly how this works, right? So copy, and then we're going to go ahead and paste, right? So pretty easy and simple. And we're going to go ahead and create, all right? So you guys can see right here, it's generating currently at about 3%. It's going to take a little bit of time here, but I want you guys to understand, once again, pretty easy and simple. Got to give it a few minutes and then we'll go over it.
In the heart of the rainforest, the vibrant green tree frog clings to the massive leaf, enduring the terrain.
Alrighty, so you guys kind of saw exactly how this works. Okay, and if you guys do not know, this is actually pretty cool. The text to video AI. So basically what we put was a dramatic slow motion macro shot of a vibrant green tree frog sitting on a massive tropical leaf during a heavy downpour. Raindrops shatter and splash against the leaf. Extremely detailed National Geographic documentary style 8K resolution. So you guys actually saw how that looks. And I have to admit, it's pretty awesome, right? So, which is actually cool. All right. Now, moving on, as mentioned, you guys, a lot of different things that you can actually do here. So, for example, AI image generator, right? Once again, you guys can see like you can select a whole bunch of different things. So, for example, we have like the Nano Banana, then we have the Pro, right? And we even have the banana 2, right? But we're actually going to go ahead and continue, and we're actually going to go to an AI avatar, right? So we're actually going to go ahead and create one now. You can actually give it a name here. So I want you guys to understand, I mean, this is technically pretty easy and simple, right? So let's do J is what we're going to do, right? We're going to upload an image. Let's see if we can use one of me, right? That's what we're going to do. And then we're going to go ahead and then just kind of create an avatar, right? And we can actually put a prompt here, basically what we want. So photorealistic, ultra detailed photography style, right? So we're actually going to go ahead and create. So you guys will see, obviously, it's going to take a little bit of time, same as the other one. So let's give it a few minutes here.
A photorealistic, ultra-detailed, professional headshot of a friendly, modern tech entrepreneur standing in brightly lit glass office. Soft natural lighting, shallow depth of field, shot on 85mm lens, corporate photography style.
Alrighty, guys. So you guys can see it right here. This is an AI avatar of myself. Basically reading through exactly everything that I put there. Okay. So I have to admit, you guys, that this is actually pretty cool. Seems pretty intense, seems pretty serious. But yeah, this is awesome. All right. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, the last thing I want to talk about here is going to be this AI video editor. And I want you guys to understand, pretty easy and simple. All you got to do is you're going to be able to upload a image, right? They do have some basic images that you can regenerate if you'd like to. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys. You guys saw earlier exactly what I created here. So we have this text to video, right? You guys saw that, pretty cool. Not only that, we have the AI avatar, which is of me, which looks a little creepy. And then after that, you guys can see right here, we have the AI video editor. So this is the original image that I was working with, as you guys can see. I did one right here for remove the background, make the plane wings like baby blue, and add a sunset. And I have to admit, this does look pretty cool, right? So you guys can kind of see exactly what that looks like. And now I just kind of did another one, just testing it to make the wings black, and I put the plane in space. So that's actually pretty cool, right? There's no reason to play the sound because it's just a whole bunch of air, from a plane flying. But I just want you guys to see exactly how this looks, right? So there's going to be a lot of things you can actually do. You can actually go to video, and then you guys can see, you can, do other things as well, right? What else could we put? I mean, you could just kind of type whatever you want, regenerate the image, right? Just so you guys understand how it works. So overall, pretty cool, pretty awesome. Let me know exactly what you guys think. I mean, once again, this is top of the line in my opinion. All right. Very important. All right. So obviously, you guys, this is a true creative powerhouse that actually saves time and money by putting the best AI tools like Sora, VO, and Clean under one single roof. All right. So I want you guys to understand, I mean, this is awesome, right? This is cool. Okay. A lot of different things you can actually do here. Alrighty, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to stop juggling subscriptions and access all of these incredible models in one single place, you can try it out for free right now. Just click the link in the video description or the pinned comment to actually get started. All right, so be sure to smash up that like button. Be sure to smash up that subscribe button and leave a comment, right? Let me know what you think. Stay tuned for the next video.